Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Recently, we saw one of the Indian Navy's MiG-29K fighter jet crashing into the Arabian Sea, and the rescue team were able to rescue one of the pilots, but the search operation for another pilot is still in progress. According to the defense sources, 9 warships and 14 aircrafts are engaged in this search efforts. Not just that, even the Indian Navy's fast interceptor craft is also deployed to search the waters along the coast. So let us hope the pilot is rescued soon. 4 days after the incident, Indian Navy specialists have located the primary wreckage of the Russian-built twin-seat fighter, and as per the sources, it looks like the ejection seat of the commander Nishant Singh, who went missing, was not present at this particular site. The MiG-29K is fitted with Russian-built K-36D 3.5 ejection seat, which is widely considered the most sophisticated in the world. In the event of ejection handles being pulled, the pilot in the rear seat is ejected first, followed by the pilot in the front. Now, since the ejection seat has not found in the place where the search operation is happening, everyone feels that the second pilot will be rescued very soon. As of now, we don't have a valid root cause behind this accident and investigations are underway. The officials confirmed that the MiG-29K fighter had taken off for a sortie from INS Vikramaditya, post which it crashed into the sea. The MiG-29K is an all-weather carrier-based multi-role fighter aircraft which is developed by Mikoyan Design Bureau. The Indian Navy had procured a fleet of 45 MiG-29Ks from Russia over a decade back at a cost of around $2 billion, and this is to operate them from INS Vikramaditya, and Indian Navy also has plans to operate these fighters on INS Vikrant, which is under construction. Seeing almost every crash which happened makes us doubt the quality, the condition, the reliability and the trust of these fighters, since almost the majority of accidents which happened due to some or the other technical faults. Even the Comptroller and Auditor General of India in its 2016 report mentioned that these MiG-29K fighters are riddled with problems relating to airframe, the RD Mk-33 engine and the fly-by-wire system. Even though the aircraft's engine problem has been said to be taken care by Indian Navy internally, still there lies a doubt in its quality. As per the sources of Indian Navy, aircraft faced engine issues mainly due to high salt and sand intake near the sea. The CAG audit observed that since the induction of these engines, many had been withdrawn from service or rejected due to design-related defects. On top of all these above problems mentioned, the MiG-29K or the KUB fleet continued to face severe maintenance problems. A large number needed repair after each deck landing that damaged many of the components on board these fighter jets. Not just that, the US administration's sanctions against the Russian defense agency Rosoboronexport is also causing issues in getting these fighters maintained. Not just the maintenance, components or engine problems, even operational availability of MiG-29Ks fluctuated, making it a concerning issue for Indian Navy. So it looks like these technical deficiencies would considerably reduce the MiG-29K's overall service life of 6,000 hours, and Indian Navy should obviously go for another set of fighter jets. So let us hope Indian Navy fast-track their carrier-borne fighters RFI and choose Rafale M or the Boeing Super Hornet Block 3 variant, so that we can tackle above mentioned problems of MiG-29K fighter jets. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.